Students, you have to keep your camera on. Okay. And good morning, all of you students. So in the last lecture, what we did, can you please enter in the chat box? Please type what we have did in the last, what we have completed in the last lecture of accounts. Sum of what? What was the name? What was the company name? At least you can highlight the company name, right? We created what? The income, expenditure, balance sheet, right? Of which company? Can you let me know the company name?
Saraswati High School.
Yes, Saraswati High School, correct. Okay. Now, students, see, when yesterday I told you to do with me, right? So that you can understand the calculation and everything. But I found that some students don't follow the instructions. Students, please follow. Why I'm telling this? Because it is a calculation part. It's not a theory that you can just pick the data or contents and you just bahad it. Okay. You need to understand this calculation. Okay. So do with me. Fine. Now we shall start with the next one. Just I will share the screen with you. This way. I'll share this screen with you, students. Okay. The screen is visible, students. All of you admit and let me know.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, see, students, see to it that when you are doing and when your calculation or you're directly answering me without calculation, even there is a teacher who is just what we can say is just observing you, right? So, if you don't understand the calculation, you can ask, but don't copy from the book and answer. Okay, fine. Now, we shall move on to the next question. Okay. If you have the books, please keep in front of you so that we can understand the question. And the students who don't have, just take the screenshot of this question. Okay. And then we shall start with the preparation of the income, expenditure, and balance sheet. Okay. I hope it is visible. The screen is visible for you. One of you unmute and let me know the students who don't have the books. Done with the question part, all of you? Yes. Yes, students. I'm waiting for your answer. Please unmute and let me know. Okay. Hope you have taken. So we shall start with the question part. Okay. Now, ma'am, I'm audible. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. Now, students, I shall read the question for you. First of all, the heading that is given. So we will move on to question 11. That is, following is the balance sheet on 1st April 2019. Okay. This balance sheet is the balance sheet of 1st April 2019 and the receipt and payment account of Dayanand Library, Ambai, Jogai. Okay. So you are required to prepare the income and expenditure account of the year ended 31st March 2020. Okay. So we have to prepare the income expenditure of which year 31st March 2020. So you need to put on the heading as receipts and payment account for the year 31st March 2020. Okay. Then we'll see the balance sheet as the same date. Now we have the question. They have given the balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. मतलब ये क्या है? ये last year का है. हमको बनाना है current year 31st March 2020 का. Okay. Now even they have given the receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2020. So अभी आपको क्या करना है? On this basis we need to prepare what income and expenditure for the year ended. आपको क्या लिखना है? 31st March 2020. Okay, and the balance sheet. Okay, and there are also, as I said, हमको क्या check करना है? Additional information. At the same time, when we are calculating, when we are entering the what we can say like furniture हो या books, so उसके जहाँ जहाँ entry है वो हमें properly डालना है with the adjustment and following instruction. Okay, now we shall start with okay. Now we shall move on and just a minute. Now we shall start it. Okay. Now students, we shall start like yesterday we will discuss. At the same time, I will show you. Yesterday you did with me. Same way you have to follow the instructions with me. Okay. Now all of you have to prepare the income and expenditure one side and the balance sheet on the other side so that you can directly write it. Okay. Now the first is we have is what we have in the liability side, that is the capital fund. Okay, this is the capital fund. What do you mean by capital fund? The fund that we start for the business, the capital that is required for to start the business. So that is what our liability side. So what is the amount here? It is 7,50,000. So this is our liability. So where it will come? It will come in balance sheet side. Which side it is? As it's our liability, we'll write it in liability side. Okay, all of you be with me. I'll just explain you. 7,50,000. Done with this? Next is one by one. I will go. So next one, subscription received in advance. What do you mean by subscription here? Yes, one of you unmute and let me know what do you mean by subscription with an example. If you know, I will explain you. If you don't know, then I will explain you. Just try to answer. Yes, anyone? See, what is subscription here? A type of contribution, right? If you are providing, you are a company and you are providing services to the customer, that the customer pay for you, right, for that services. So they are contributing or they are paying that services. It can be in annual form or it can be like a EMI. देखो ना partially भी payment कर सकते हैं वो EMI के basis पे. Okay, so या तो वो क्या करते हैं full payment करते हैं yearly का. So that is the subscription received in advance. मतलब उन्होंने हमें कितना advance दिया है, that is the contribution, the amount that we have received from them for what the service we provide, right? So उन्होंने 3,000 दिया. Now I will not take right now because we have some in additional information. We have some calculation part. Okay. Now we will move on to where the asset part. That is the furniture. So now students, what is the amount of furniture? Furniture is what this is our asset. So we have the amount that is 50,000. So now at the same time we have to check, is there any what we can say furniture है, so देखते हैं उसका depreciation है. So there is a depreciation value. Ma'am, I am audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible. Just it was not proper audible. Voice proper नहीं था बस. एक second के लिए नहीं था.
अच्छा अच्छा. So what do you miss, students? Can you let me so that I can again explain you? Yes, anybody? One of you students unmute, those who type, so that I can just repeat again and explain you. Is this okay? Shall I continue?
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Okay, furniture now we have 50,000. It's our asset. So we have checked that in the adjustment there is a depreciation on furniture at 8.5%. So we have to take the percentage of 8.5. But we have something at the same time. We have also purchased the furniture, right? That is here, this side. Can you see here? All of you. So buy furniture. It's in the receipts and payment. We have purchased. मतलब हमने purchase किया है, उसका payment दे दिया है. But furniture आया है, right? So this is our asset. But when we have purchased, the date is given, that is 1/7/2019. So अभी देखो 1/7/2019 का है और हम लोग ने ये जो रिसिप्ट पे पेमेंट है किधर है 2020 का है. तो आपको क्या करना है जुलाई से कैलकुलेट करना है. 7 is what? July till March you have to calculate. Okay, so how you will write? I will show you how you will write. Okay, I'll just show you the calculation part of furniture. Okay, now students, can you see this part here? Is the screen visible of furniture? Now what is now can you see the amount of this furniture? What is 50,000? That is we have purchased on, that is not we have purchased. What is that? What was the amount of furniture here?
50,000.
Yes. Okay, that's all. And we purchase was, it was a 30,000. So how we
30,000.
will calculate? So how we will calculate? First we will do the calculation part. Okay, I will do here only for you. So it is a simple calculation as we did yesterday. 50,000. What we have purchased the furniture into 8.5 is given in the additional information. 8.5 divided by 100. We got the only depreciation amount. अभी हमको सिर्फ एक ही का depreciation amount मिला है. हमने और भी furniture purchase किया है, right? So wait, I'm not talking. So now students see. Now you can see here 30,000 here. Now can you see the amount here 30,000? Yes. So as we did for 50,000, we will also now calculate here. 50,000 हम लोग ने 8.5 डिवाइड बाय 100 किया तो हमको एक डेप्रिसिएशन अमाउंट मिला 4250. फिर हमने 30,000 का फर्नीचर परचेस किया, उस पे हमको 30,000 पे 8.5 करना है. यहाँ तक तो आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर. बट दिस फर्नीचर वी हैव परचेस्ड ऑन 1st of July. So when we calculate, how we will calculate? This is July, August, September, October, November, December, January and February, and next is March. अपना किधर तक है? March का. So we will calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many months we calculated for? 9 months. So what we will do? 30,000 into 8.5 into 9. 9 means what? This total months. 9 divided by 12. 12 is the total month. कितना है? 1 year में 12 months. So 9 divided by 12, the amount is 1912. Understood all of you? I hope till it is till here it is clear. Just a minute.
Ma'am, try clear option.
Yes, yes. Sorry.
Try that clear option.
Which option?
That so round blue circle is there, na? In front of that clear option is there, na?
Student, your voice is not clear, beta. I can't hear you properly. I will just explain you the calculation again if you do not understand. Why it's not going? Okay, if you want to screenshot, wait, even I'm erasing it. Okay, done. Now you can see this clearly. Now you can see, students. Hello.
Yes, yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Now it is clear, student. Okay. Now see, students. One of the student asked me, so should I explain action again? Or should I continue? Yes. So no book. I can explain this.
Ma'am,
Should I?
Ujjwala ma'am, your voice is not clear to the students.
Yeah. Okay, now it is clear, ma'am.
Yes, actually they are writing in the chat box.
Yeah. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am, you are clear now. Your voice is clear.
Actually, the voice is also breaking. Your voice is also breaking, ma'am. Maybe because of connection issue.
Yes, it might be of the network issue.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, it might be because of network issue.
Network issue. So should I, ma'am?
Yes, you can continue.
Yes, student, one of you please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Should I continue now, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So students, so how we calculate the furniture depreciation? The 50,000 we took of the 50,000 on 50,000 we calculated 8.5. We got what 4.2. And on 30,000 we calculate 8.5. That is a depreciation percentage and 9 months. Okay, 9 months how? From July to March. July. Okay. Now this is how we calculate July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So these are the 9 months. So 9 divided by 12 and we got this amount. So the total amount for the depreciation for the furniture is 6162. See, the total amount we have to take, not the one part. Okay. Now we shall move on to further. We'll go move. Just a minute. So now this one part we have. Now we will start with the books here. Okay, what is the amount of the books given here? What is the amount of the book given here?
6,50,500.
Now tell me, students, the depreciation for the book. Yes, it was a depreciation for an.
Your voice is not audible.
I think the voice is breaking. Now see,
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
now audible.
No, ma'am.
Now see. Hello.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes. No, ma'am.
Now you are audible,
Why?
but in between now your voice is breaking.
Maybe because of network issue. Because see, even when you are also talking to me, na, I can't clearly hear. Only the voice are breaking. Maybe because of the network issue. Okay. Okay. Thank you, students. Just stop me if you get interrupted in between because of network issue. Okay. Now see, depreciation of book we have 10%. So on 10%, that is we have to calculate on 6,50,000. So we have also purchased. We have also purchased. Okay, what we have also purchased the book on 1st of 10, that is 1 lakh. So how we will calculate this amount? Okay, how we will calculate this amount? Let's see. Dekho, on 110 we have calculated 1 lakh. Okay, yes, and why? And here we have 6,50,000. So 6,50,000, and the next one is 1 lakh. So what we have to do? We have to find out the percentage of 10%. So how we will do the calculation part? See, on 6,50,000, we will take the 10%. So 10% कितना हो गया? It is simple. Just remove 1 0. So what we will get? 65,050. This is the first amount we got from the depreciation. Next, we purchase the what? We purchase the books on what? 1st of 9. What is 9 here? It's a September. So how we can calculate? This is September. Yes, let's see. I'll just check the date. So no, it's October. Okay, when we have purchased this, the books is 110. So how can we calculate this amount? How can we calculate this amount? It is October, right? All of you. So October, we have November, December, January, February, and March. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So we have 6 months here. So how we have calculated from October to March, it comes 6 months. So 6 divided by 12, we got the amount 5,000. So now the total depreciation amount for the book is 70. That is 70,050. We took the 10% of the depreciation of 6,50,000. Then we have purchased the books on 1st of October, that is 1 lakh. How much the months we have calculated? For 6 months, okay, from October to March, and we got this amount. And finally, the total amount of the depreciation of the book is 70,050. Okay, till here it is clear, all of you? I hope it is clear, depreciation. Okay, now the next part. So how you will write this depreciation amount in the balance sheet? How you will write? See, can you see in the balance sheet here? The book part 6,58,500. The book purchase. Okay, we added then 1 lakh. How we added? When we have purchased it is 1st October. The total amount comes here what? 750,500. And we have depreciated 10% on the books, and we got this total amount, the outer column. Understood? Then the another entry will go in the depreciation of books. Where it is in income and expenditure amount. Okay, on which side? This we can see. We got 70,050. Understood? Okay. So at the same time, we have written also about the furniture, and the total amount is given here. हमने furniture का भी calculate किया, books का भी calculate किया. दोनों, या तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, दोनों बाहर लिख सकते हो. It's not compulsory हम combine लिखेंगे. Combine क्यों लिखा है? Depreciation उन्होंने heading depreciation है ना, तो जो depreciation लिया है, like machinery होता तो भी हम इसके अंदर लेके या inner column में हम उसका total करके outer column में ले सकते हैं. Okay, that is the heading, depreciation, then books, furniture, machinery जो भी दिया होता. Now we have only got books and furniture, so we wrote the total amount. Okay, till here it is clear? Yes, students, till here it is clear?
Ma'am.
Okay. Now the next part is, now we'll go to the stock of postage. What will go? Stock of postage. How many it is given? Stock of postage stamp? It is 100. So see, stock of postage stamp is our asset, right? So we already have 50,000. Okay. It is not the closing stock, because it's the last year's, right? So it's a closing stock. So हम लोग इसको क्या बोलेंगे? The stock we have with us right now. So it is 500. So next one, how can we find out this closing stock? हमको closing stock में देखना है कि और कोई हम लोग को entry दी गई कि नहीं. So Is there any entry given in the closing stock here? Nothing given, right? So how can you write here? Just a minute. So now see here, हम लोग अगर लास्ट ईयर का अपना वो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक था तो हम लोग ने क्या किया, उसका 200 बचा के रखा है. नाउ द ओपनिंग स्टॉक, सी जो 500 हमको मिला है, यू कैन सी फ्रॉम हियर. अभी हम क्या करेंगे बेटा, just a minute. Okay, now, okay, we have this. Now, say students, we have the part of this. This is 500. So we took this as a we have taken. वो हमारा purchase the stock. So वो purchase entry आपको कहाँ पे मिल रहा है? Can you see here? What is the postage stamp? हम लोग ने और कितना purchase किया? 1500. ओके, जो ऑलरेडी था अपने 1.5 साल का, वो हमारे हम लोग ने फॉरवर्ड किया, तो वो अपना क्या हैगा, वो अपनी क्या रहेगी, दैट इज द ओपनिंग स्टॉक. तो वो ये वाली, ये 500 and 1500 we will add. So here we have added this. So total amount हमको कितना मिला है यहाँ, 2000. Okay, now we have any additional information on this? Yes, we have any additional information on this? Anybody? Unmute and let me know. See here. Can you see? This is that. Yes. So this is the additional. The value of unused postage stamp was 200. Unused मतलब जो हमने use नहीं किया, उसका value कितना था? 200. So हम क्या करेंगे? हम लोग ने already अपना जो गया टाइम का था वो forward किया 500. Then we have purchased again 1500. तो total अपना amount कितना था? 2000. अभी जो unused मतलब अभी हम लोग ने वो use नहीं किया था, right? So वो हम क्या करेंगे? We will minus it. We will minus it because see 50,000 we are using purchase भी हम लोग ने किया, लेकिन हमने ये अब तक unused किया है, means we have not used in our company. So वो minus करेंगे and the total outer column it comes to 1800. Okay, so now this is our closing stock. मतलब बचा है इस साल. Understood? Okay, clear? It is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will move to the next part. One by one we will move. Okay, the next part is investment in security. Investment in security, what is that, beta? Investment is what, our asset or liability?
Asset.
Yes, asset. So where we will write? See, can you see the amount? Yes, it's a balance sheet. We have investment in security. The total amount is 7,000. So is any adjustment regarding that?
No.
Is any adjustment? No. Okay, so straightforward we'll write that amount. Okay, understood? Next one we have, okay, now cash in hand we will not take this amount. Okay, now we'll move to further. क्या दिया है receipt of payment में. Now see students, now we'll start and payment part. Okay, buy salary. Buy salary ये क्या है, ये अपना payment expenditure है कि ये है asset है. What will be that? Yes. So where you will write 2 salaries, how much? 24,000. Okay. Is any adjustment given here? कोई adjustment दिया है?
No.
Any adjustment? No. See why I am also doing with you, because see ये habit रखना है, कोई adjustment दिया है नहीं. Then you have to move further. Okay. So आपको वो entry कहाँ डालना है? 2 salaries, how much it is? 24,000 in income and expenditure. Done. सब लोग ने ये ready किया है ना कि टीचर के लिए रुके हो? नो ना? You are ready with that? Okay.
Yes.
Next we buy purchase of postage stamp. We have cleared this. हम लोग ने ये कर दिया है. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Then I have showed you about the books. Now next one is buy outstanding expenses paid. Now see students, outstanding expenses paid यहाँ 2000 है और आपने देखा है द बैलेंस शीट में भी इधर क्या है, आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंसेस, मतलब ये बैलेंस था और लेकिन वो हमको अभी मिला है। ओके, वो मेरे पास बैलेंस था और अभी मुझे मिला है, तो उसकी कोई एंट्री होगी अभी?
No.
No, because it was outstanding. Now it is paid. Now it is clear. Understood? Now it is clear. Okay. Now the next one we have investment in fixed deposits. Investment in fixed deposit was there? No.
Asset.
Yes. So asset part. So we will go to the asset part. Can you see investment in fixed deposit? How much it is? 50,000. Understood till here? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now next one, furniture we did. Printing and stationery. What is this printing and stationery? This is our expenses, right? ना ये तो अपना खर्चा है, तो ये अपना क्या है? 6,000. Is any adjustment here? Let's see. No, nothing. Then move on to the rent. Rent कितना है अपना? How much the rent is? How much the rent is? 18,000. तो ये भी क्या रहेगा अपना expenditure part. Okay. 18,000 and this is printing and stationery 6,000, 18,000. Till here it is clear. Okay. Now the next part is what? The main part comes here. That is the membership subscription. ये अपना important part आ गया. Okay. Now आपको देखो adjustment में आपको something दिया है. Okay. Subscription part ये भी highlight करती हूँ. अभी आपको मैं बता रही हूँ, please ध्यान से सुनो. Okay. Library has 2,000 members paying subscription 100 each. Okay. Library में member कितने थे? 2,000. Okay. और हर एक का subscription amount कितना था? मतलब उनको pay कितना करना है? 100. So 2,000 into 100, what is the amount comes? See, ये normal मैं पूछ रही हूँ आपको, लाइब्रेरी में कितने members थे? 2,000 और हर एक को कितना करना है पे? 100. So 2,000 into 100, it's a what? Students, am I audible to you? Students, am I audible to you? Yes. Right now? So how much it comes, beta? Yes. It's 2 lakh, correct or not? So it comes to 2 lakh. Next we have, now see how can we calculate the subscription amount. Don't worry, I will explain you this. Okay. यहाँ पे देखो आपको मेंबरशिप है 800. ओके, कैसे? 800 सब्सक्रिप्शन अमाउंट. यस, आपको मिल रहा है ना वो सर्विसिंग अमाउंट. कहाँ से मिल रहा है? कस्टमर से मिल रहा है. सो वेर यू विल राइट इन द इनकम पार्ट. ओके, सो आपने लिखा इनकम में आप कितने लिखोगे? 1,80,000. टिल हियर इट इज क्लियर. देन नेक्स्ट वी हैव इन द एडजस्टमेंट दैट स्पेंडिंग. ओके, तो हमारा क्या है? द मेंबरशिप अमाउंट इज 1,80,000. ओके, उसके बाद आपको इधर दिया है लायबिलिटी में कि द सब्सक्रिप्शन अमाउंट रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस. मतलब हम लोग का कितना मेंबर्स है? 2,000. ओके, इनटू 100. हर एक मेंबर को कितना? 100 करना है. तो अपना एक्चुअली द सब्सक्रिप्शन अमाउंट हमको मिलना है 2 लाख. ओके, और आपको अभी तक हमको कितना मिला है? ओनली 1,80,000. उसके बाद उन्होंने क्या बोला है? सब्सक्रिप्शन और भरा है उन्होंने, मतलब सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस हमको और भी कितना मिला है? 3,000. सो व्हाट यू विल डू? ओके, दिस सब्सक्रिप्शन अमाउंट 1,80,000. ओके, एंड दी एडिशनल रिसीव्ड. ओके, जो हमको एडिशनल मिला है, हम क्यों हम लोग उसको माइनस करें? हमको मिला है ना, वो हमारा पेंडिंग था ऑब्वियस, तो वो हमको मिला है. सो 1,80,000 प्लस 3,000. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन. हमको ये अमाउंट खुद कैलकुलेट करना है, यहाँ कहीं भी आपको मिलेगा नहीं. आप बोलोगे मैम ये कैसे आया? करेक्ट, जब मैं बोल रही थी कि अपना टोटल अमाउंट मेंबरशिप का कितना 2 लाख है, राइट? सो ये जो 2 लाख है वो कैसे आया? 2,000 अपने मेंबर इनटू 100. व्हाट कम्स द अमाउंट? 2 लाख. तो आपको बोलोगे कि ये मैम 2 लाख आया कहाँ से, राइट? सो व्हाट वी डिड, 1,80,000. Just what is this? सी स्टूडेंट्स 1,80,000, ठीक है, ये अपना, और वो कितना था, रिसीव हम लोग को एडवांस 3,000, ठीक है, ये 3,000, ओके, ये हमको एडवांस मिला, इसको ऐड करो, तो अभी तक का कितना हमको मिला है 18,000, 1,83,000। नाउ अभी जैसा मैं बोल रही हूँ, हमको कितना मिलना चाहिए था, 2 लाख मिलना चाहिए था, लेकिन मिला कितना 1,83,000, तो 2 लाख आप इधर लिखो, ओके, ये अपना आना था एक्चुअली, और आया कितना है 1,83,000, मतलब आप जब 2 लाख को 1,83,000 से माइनस करोगे, you will get 17,000 मीन, ये जो आपको मैं बता रही हूँ ना, ध्यान से सुनो बच्चों, आप बोलोगे ये 2 लाख आया कहाँ से, टीचर ने 17,000 लाया कहाँ से, सो इफ यू लिसन यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, ये एडजस्टमेंट में दिया है, सो ओके, सो नाउ हियर आपको कितना मिल रहा है 70,000, तो आपको क्या करना है 18,000, 1,80,000 लिखना है, प्लस एडवांस 3,000, आउटस्टैंडिंग अब भी हमने कैलकुलेट किया, कैसे कैलकुलेट किया, with the help of adjustment, 2 lakh minus 1,80,000, the answer comes 17,000, वो आपको यहाँ लिखना है, अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स, मतलब अपना ये टोटल उन्होंने दिया है, और हमको ये दिया है, हमको क्या दिया है, एडजस्टमेंट में ये डायरेक्टली दिया है, हमें इतना मिला, हमें इतना मिला, लेकिन 2 लाख में हमको इतना मिला, मतलब अपना आउटस्टैंडिंग कितना है अभी तक 17,000, ओके, ये हमें आना है, ओके, अंडरस्टूड, so this is how we got 17,000, okay, now outstanding का दूसरा एंट्री किधर जाएगा, yet we have here, see, can you see the outstanding amount, that is asset side, वो आना है, right, that is our outstanding subscription 17,000, till here it is, one of you unmute and let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello ma'am, move further.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we shall move further about the entry fees. Entry fees कितना दिया है इधर, entry fees कितना है, entry fees is 30,000. Now we will check whether any adjustment is given or not. आपको देखो इतना बड़ा entry fees का इधर दिया है, okay? अभी आप बोलोगे मैम इसमें लाइफ मेंबरशिप किस भी है, वो हमें बाद में देखना, ये हम बाद में देखेंगे, मेन हमारा पार्ट क्या है, 15% एंटर फीस, एंट्रेंस फीस एंड द होल अमाउंट ऑफ लाइफ मेंबरशिप फीस शुड बी कैपिटलाइज्ड, मतलब जब हम कैपिटल फंड लिखते हैं ना, उनके साथ हमको ये और ये चीज ऐड करना है, ओके, सो 50%, अभी अपना एंट्रेंस फीस कितना है 30,000, तो 30,000 का 50% कितना आएगा 15,000, ओके, हाउ मच 15,000, okay, so we will write this, see we have written 30,000 और उन्होंने क्या बोला है, what less 50% of the capitalization, okay, मतलब आप उसको एंट्रेंस फीस का 30,000 का क्या करना है 15% करना है, तो हमने लेस किया और हमें कितना मिलता है 15,000, understood, this was the adjustment told, this was the adjustment given here, ये दिख रहा है आपको, इसी के बारे में है, तो अब बोलोगे दूसरा एंट्री कहाँ जाएगा, where the next entry goes, ये तो हम लोग ने इधर रखा, नेक्स्ट किधर है आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे कैपिटल फंड, ओके, 7,50,000 हम लोग ने लिखा, उसके ही नीचे उन्होंने क्या बोला है 15,000, हम लोग ने किसका डाला है एंट्रेंस फीस 30,000 का, उसका 50% है 15,000, so we added this by as per the adjustment, understood, till here it is clear, okay, the next one is what, the next one is sale of a old newspaper, क्या है old newspaper हम लोग ने सेल किया, तो कितना मिला हमको 2,000, so where it will come, okay, where it will come, sale of, yes, sale of old newspaper, so हम लोग ने इनकम में लिखा, that is 2,000, next one we have hire of a lecture hall, okay, so कितना है 10,000, so again हम लोग किधर लिख रहे हैं, we will write in our income, that is 10,000, okay, next one we have interest on security, obvious interest हमें मिल रहा है, it is 5,000, so we will write, now see where it is, ये wrong है. Actually it should be 5,000. Don't go on this. Okay, सब दिखा हुआ दिया हुआ सही नहीं होता, right? So same, it should be 5,000. ये गलत है. It should be 5,000. Understood all of you? Till here it is clear? Please let me know, students. One of you unmute and let me know. Hello, students. Am I audible?
Okay, miss.
Ma'am.
Okay. So just clear it. It is not 10,000. Interest on security. It is 5,000. Okay. क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको 5,000 दिया है क्वेश्चन में, तो जरूरी नहीं जो भी दिया है वो इट इज राइट. ओके, इट हैपेंस, प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? लाइफ मेंबरशिप. आई थिंक वी हैव डन. यहाँ पे कितना दिया है? 10,000. ओके, नाउ लाइफ मेंबरशिप का आपको देखा है मैंने, ये दिया है एंट्री, ये एडजस्टमेंट में हम लोग ने देखा है. सो पहला एंट्री कहाँ जाएगा इसका, लाइफ मेंबरशिप का? Where is that? What was the amount of that? What was the amount of that? 10,000. और एडजस्टमेंट में क्या बोला है? The adjustment is the whole amount of life membership should be capitalized. Okay, the whole amount should be capitalized. आपने देखा है कि इधर 10,000 का 10,000 पूरा लिया है. एंट्रेंस फीस में उन्होंने सिर्फ 50 बोला था, लेकिन लाइफ मेंबरशिप में उन्होंने कितना बोला है? Only 10,000. मतलब the whole amount total should be, we have to calculate. Understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next we have, okay, I hope we have cleared everything. और आपको क्या लिखना है? Now, what is pending? Can you highlight? What is pending? सब हम लोग ने लिखा, right? What is pending? Cash in hand and cash at bank. तो कितना है ये? आपको किधर लिखना है? Where we have to write this? Cash in hand and bank. One of you unmute and let me know. I hope that you are following me. मतलब आप सुन रहे हो ऐसे मुझे लगेगा. Where we carry forward this amount? We carry forward it as cash in hand and cash at bank. The balance sheet. ये अपना amount है. I hope till here it is clear, all of you. Yes, one of you unmute and let me know. And if you have any doubt, please ask, students. See, it's okay if you ask. ऐसे नहीं है कि क्लास में इतने जने कैसे पूछूं. You can ask the doubt so that I can clear. Okay.
मैम
See, just see to it. आप कोई screenshot. हाँ, yes ma'am. Hello. Hello.
1,00,000 वो अमाउंट कैसे आया है?
कौन सा?
टू सरप्लस का.
ये कैसे आएगा बेटा? आप ये पूरा एंट्री करो. ओके,
टोटल कर.
ओके, इसका पूरा टोटल निकालो. आपको टोटल कितना है? तो ये जब आप माइनस करोगे ना, तो ये जो आप करोगे ना, इसका डिफरेंस जो बोलते हैं ना, वो आपका सरप्लस अमाउंट है. अंडरस्टूड?
हाँ हाँ.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, यू गॉट ना?
यस.
अंडरस्टूड? हाँ, दैट
Yes.
वी कैरी फॉरवर्ड इन द बैलेंस शीट, राइट? तब जाके अपना लास्ट में वो इक्वल होगा. ओके, एनीवन एल्स? हाँ, यू कैन आस्क स्टूडेंट्स. एक की वजह से क्या होता है ना, दूसरों का भी क्वेरी सॉल्व हो जाता है. इट्स ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. And जब if you see students, if you're taking a screenshot, don't depend on this amount. It is 5,000 only. Okay, chalo. Now till here it is clear. Can I start with the next sum? I hope. Ma'am, hello ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, teacher.
Can I start the next part or should I discuss?
Yes, you can start.
Can I start the next question? Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, I'm sharing this screen.
Okay.
I shall start with the next part, right? Okay. Okay, what they have given? They have given only the recipient payment and not the balance sheet. Okay, just I will read it again for you and try to understand this. Following is a recipient payment account of Chamber of Commerce bid for the year ended 31st March 2018. Okay, ये 2018 का क्या है? This is the year and they have given the recipient payment account. And same additional information means these are the below उसके नीचे क्या दिया है? Additional information, that is the adjustment. So you are required to prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018 एंड बैलेंस शीट. ओके, हम लोग ने अभी तक कैसे रिसिप्ट पेमेंट दिया होता था, बैलेंस शीट दिया होता था. सो वी हैव टू क्रिएट. नाउ इट इज ओनली द रिसिप्ट पेमेंट. उन्होंने सिर्फ रिसिप्ट पेमेंट दिया है 2018 का. ओके, तो व्हाट यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर? यू आर रिक्वायर्ड टू प्रिपेयर, मतलब हमें क्या बनाना है? इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ ईयर एंडेड 31st March 2018. ओके, सेम. सो हाउ कैन वी मेक दिस? ओके, आपको देखो रिसिप्ट पेमेंट में कुछ दिया है. फर्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? That is a insurance. Okay, insurance दिया है 10,000. We have printing and stationery 4,000. Okay, we have books 30,000. At the same time अगर books है तो आपको depreciation का जो भी adjustment है कि नहीं वो सब देखना है. Okay, if not, let's go ahead. Okay, फिर computers है, फिर traveling expenses है, furniture है, and this is the amount cash at bank. फिर ये है उसके पहले का, उन्होंने जब receipt पेमेंट किया उसके amount carry forward किया हुआ amount. Okay, and there is again the subscription amount. Here यहाँ भी है adjustments. Okay, so I will explain this again. Then we have sales of machinery. Okay, sales of machinery 70,000 है. उसका कितना value? 70,000 how much? It is 20,000. लेकिन उसका book value मतलब the original value कितना था? 25. हमने सेल किया 20,000 में. तो ये सब दिया है. फिर donation दिया है 55,000. And that is the admission fee, that is 6,000. So these are the entries included in the receipt of payment. Then we have the adjustment. Adjustment किस किस पे है? ये सारे पे एक एक हम देखेंगे. We'll just discuss. Let's see अगर हो रहा है क्या. We'll discuss and we will do tomorrow if we have the time enough. Okay. Now here. Asset and liability on 1st of April 2017. ये क्या है? 2017 मतलब अभी ये जो है अपना वो क्या रहेगा? 1st April से 1st April to 2018 तक का, मतलब 1st April 2017 to 31st March 2018. I repeat, 1st April 2017 to 31st March 2018. ठीक है. So now यहाँ पे कुछ क्या दिया है? This is the amount of outstanding subscription, मतलब 10,000 है. आपको मैंने पता है सब्सक्रिप्शन कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है, बट यहाँ पे ईयर के हिसाब से हमको कैलकुलेट करना है. उसमें हम लोग को ईयर नहीं दिया था ना, तो इट वाज सिंपल फॉर अस टू कैलकुलेट टोटल अमाउंट. हम लोग ने पूरा टोटल सब्सक्रिप्शन देखा और कितना आया उससे हम लोग ने माइनस किया. तो जो बैलेंस था इट वाज आउटस्टैंडिंग. बट यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? ईयर पे ध्यान देना है. 2016 मतलब ये लास्ट ईयर का है. ओके, ऐसे करके. डोंट वरी, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाट इज दैट. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? मशीनरी पे है. मशीनरी हाउ मच वी हैव? 20,000. और उन लोग ने क्या है इधर? 50,000 दिया है अमाउंट. सो दीस आर व्हाट द एसेट्स एंड लायबिलिटी. हमको क्या करना है अभी? 50,000 में क्या क्या करना है ये सब हमको कैलकुलेशंस में करना है. नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? बिल्डिंग फंड. ओके, बिल्डिंग फंड हाउ मच इज दिस? 2,10,000. ये हमको बिल्डिंग फंड ऐड करना है, राइट? द फंड. सो किसमें जाएगा? एसेट्स आएगा, लायबिलिटीज आएगा. ये हमको इसमें देखना है. इन्वेस्टमेंट, एसेट्स एंड ये जो हमको है ना, ये हमको किस किस में डालना है वो हम लोग कल देखेंगे. लाइक मशीनरी है, बिल्डिंग फंड है, ये अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट है, ये अपनी आउटस्टैंडिंग है. सो ये हम लोग सब क्या देखेंगे? कल देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट वन इज क्या दिया है मशीनरी पे? मशीनरी अपना कितना है? 20,000. उस पे हम लोग ने क्या किया? मशीनरी डेप्रिशिएट करना है. तो अमाउंट डायरेक्टली गिवन है, इधर आपको कोई परसेंटेज नहीं दिया. डायरेक्टली आपको क्या करना है? वी नीड टू माइनस द अमाउंट. द डोनेशन रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम बिल्डिंग फंड. ओके, अभी देखो या डोनेशन एक अमाउंट दिया है 50,000, राइट? और हम लोग को क्या दिया है? वो फंड हमको मिला है. किस पे मिला है? बिल्डिंग पे. यहाँ पे दिया दिखा है आपको 2,10,000 पे. तो उसका ये डोनेशन है. Can you say 50,000? What is that? So ये क्या अपना इनकम है. So what we'll do? We will add it. Okay. So I will show you. I'm just discussing with you what are the criteria here. and the next is outstanding subscription for the current year. जैसे मैंने बोला अभी हमको थोड़ा सब्सक्रिप्शन ऐड करते समय मतलब कैलकुलेशन करते समय बहुत ध्यान देना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज ये जो अमाउंट है ना 6000, फिर इधर आपको दिया है 8000, फिर here it is given 72000, so we need to calculate. Okay, so students, if I start explaining now, we will not complete. At least what you have to do, do one thing. I'll do one work for, give one work for you. At least you have to make the entries, basic entries जहाँ पे adjustment नहीं है. Okay, जैसे आपको मैंने बोला आपको ये डालना है बाय इंश्योरेंस. ये क्या है अपना बाय इंश्योरेंस? व्हाट इज दैट? इज दिस अ एसेट और लायबिलिटी? क्या है अपना इंश्योरेंस? क्या करते हो आप? इंश्योरेंस पे करते हो कि नहीं करते हो? तो व्हाट इज दैट? मैम, एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello,
You
ma'am.
are audible.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So students, now tell me this insurance जो है अपना, what is that? We pay, you pay the insurance or not? So is our asset or liability? As clearly it is given in the payment side, right? Payment side क्या है? वो अपना expenses है. So where it will come? It will come here in the expenditure part. तो ये जो basic है ना वो आप entries करके रखो. आपको जो calculation part है, I will explain you that. Okay? Then like printing and stationery, आपको क्या करना है? यहाँ पे entry करना है. Okay? Insurance 10,000, printing and stationery for 4,000. Buy books. Okay? Books का क्या दिया है इधर? Is any adjustment here related to the books? No. So books, what you will do, where you will get? With the asset side. Okay, let me clear this first. कितना books? Directly 30,000. So here the amount is 30,000. तो वो आपको इधर भी नीचे भी लिखना है 30,000. Okay. ओके, इसमें आपको क्या मिलेगा? इसमें कुछ आपको कुछ डेप्रिसिएशन अमाउंट नहीं करना है. ओके, and the next part we have computers. Again there is nothing, so directly you can write 60,000 because there is no depreciation amount given here. Okay, next one is buy traveling expenses. Okay, traveling expenses, what? Obvious, it's our expenditure, so we will write here where the expenditure part 4,000. Okay, next one we have the furniture. Furniture, how much it is? 62,000. So is any adjustment here regarding this? No. So we'll straightforward we will write as 60,000. 62,000. Sorry, computer it is 60,000 and furniture it is 62,000. Okay. Now the next part is, okay, done with the furniture part. Next one here we have the subscription part. I will explain you tomorrow about the donation is there. Now here one is given admission fees 6,000. What we have received? Admission fees 6,000. So हमको वो मिला है. So ये जो basic amount है आपको कल लिख के लाना है so that we can complete tomorrow. This 6,000 you have to write. Okay. Subscription मैं आपको अच्छे से बताऊंगी because आज का भी calculation था so you will get confused. Okay, if you want I can show directly right now but we don't have enough time here. So basic entries आपको करके आना है. Please don't waste your time in that. Okay. Okay, so I hope we have done till here. So you have to write, see please students, the basic part like insurance, printing and stationery, traveling. Okay, फिर बाद में आपको क्या लिखना है? Admission fees लिखना है. And then you have to write the cash at bank, the books you can write, computer and furniture. जो आपका इसमें calculation ही वो ये करके आओ, entry करके आओ. So I will explain you tomorrow about that. Okay.